going to do unboxing video. I'm sorry, I'm just excited, you know. Today I'm going to do unboxing video. So this is the package. This is what it looks like when I got the package from DHL. It's a surprise. Sorry. There you are. Ta-da! It's kind of squeezed. I hope the item inside is also okay. Like, you see that? That's the package. I think they don't know what's the inside because the delivery man asked me what item this is. It's open. Electric pan. Wow! Oh my gosh! It's so heavy, guys. It's so heavy. Ta-da! No. Woo, so igang. My electric fan is very small. So let's open it. So there's smash something right here. You see that? Hi, what are you doing here?
Open.
Wow!
Nice.
Nice! Wow, kabugat ba? So this is the box. And the outside, this one, what is this? So these are the propellers. These are the extra propellers. So there's 6 propellers. And we need 4 propellers for the drone. So this is the guide. Quick start. We have different languages in English, of course. Wow. Laisho. Oh, so there's another propellers set of 6. So we have 12 propellers. We're going to open at least one to show you what it looks like, of course. Ta-da! Anyway, so this is it. This is the bag. It's so legit. I think this is rain-proof or water resistant, but not waterproof. Wow. Oh my gosh. There's back. You can put your cell phone here. Oh my gosh. So we have this. These are the batteries, extra batteries. It's heavy. Also this one. So we have, oh, so this is the charger. You can plug this one here. Right. This is a charger. You can charge battery here. And this is the cord. Yeah, you plug this one and then you plug this cord right here. And this one we have. Wow! So they have normal, tripod, sports. This button, which is return home. This is the power on and off. And they have here. You screw it here. Yeah. So this is the expandable for the phone. You can put your phone here. And these are the cord under. See that? So these are the cord for iPhone. And then you plug in your phone, of course. Yeah, right? Oh, so this one is the one you roll your gimbal. You know, the camera. No, you do like that. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is the drone. This is the Mavic Air. Do like this. And you do like this. Then you do like this. Open. Then you do like that. Wow. This is legit. Wow. Really legit and brand new because there's still tape in it. We have battery, extra battery here. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. And refer to the quick start guide. So we have 3 batteries. I have 2 extra batteries. So we're going to put propellers. This one. So these propellers have white line, and also here there's white line. This propellers goes here. So this propellers without line goes without line. So that's it. Yep. Wow. Wow. It says you need to charge the battery first before using. And also, we still have here just a packet. I didn't know. I just noticed. These are extra for here, in case you lose the other ones. And also, what are these? Oh, camera lenses, yes. Three extra. Legit fly combo.
What are you doing?
There are 2 types of USB.
Wow!
Oh, extra cord. C-type cord. C-type and then C-type. If you have C-type of phone. C-type and Android. Yeah, if you have Android phone. This one for the charger. Remote control charger for this. Wow. What's one it? No touch. So that's all, I think. See you next time. Anyway, so I'm going to watch some guide how to fly a drone. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. Wow. So welcome again. I haven't put the battery yet. We are going to update, so to prevent from taking it off accidentally, we're going to remove the propellers because we're just here inside the house. Since we are a beginner, so let's remove it. Remove this. Let's put the battery. Make sure it clicks. And here, I'm so nervous. I just wish someone can teach me how to do it, or can assist me, or someone can guide me. Press 1 and then long press. And then here, let's press 1, then long press. That's so weird. Wow. The yellow's beeping, so it means it's not connected yet to the controller. DJI Fly app. Connect the aircraft. Mavic 2. Oh, wait. I need to connect this one. Sorry, I'm a beginner ba? I'm not used to this. Okay? Oh, struggle is real. So I need to remove my cover because this one doesn't push because of this. Wow, so this is the problem. Pushing my button. Cell phone button. Okay, so it goes this way. Connect the aircraft. Searching. Why unable to connect? Searching for aircraft. Oh, struggle is real. Unable to connect to aircraft. Why? Yeah! I got it. Starting the aircraft. Activate the aircraft. Oh, okay. So now I figure it out. Once you open everything, the controller and this one, and then DJI Fly app says long press the aircraft for 4 seconds until it's beep. Yeah, that's the one that I've been looking for. Then new Mavic Air 2 firmware available update. So we're going to update. And let's wait. Make sure you don't turn off the controller, your phone, and the aircraft. Wow, it's very slow. Oh, it's super slow. It's not 2%. It's been a while. Anyway, I'll be back after this updates finish, okay?
So right now mine needs a compass calibration. So you might pop up with this error where you need to calibrate. You're going to click that button, click the red right on the top, and you're going to calibrate. Just click the calibration button. I'll walk you through step by step how to do this. Let's start. We're going to rotate.
So I'm here somewhere, so I'm going to try fly a drone. Let's see, this is my first time. Pad na may? Take off. Allah!
Kanawa. Hop, tulubi.
Uy, asa ka ba yun? Asa ka ba yun?
Babalik di mo. Tulubi taas.
Asa ka ba yun? Babalik ka siya. Wow.
Wala
Ayun.
mo hagbong. Abo kayo.
Makita ang view no? Makita ang view sa cellphone tayo.
Manda.
Makita yung sinakuha dito niya.
Tulubi, habong na kayo.
Ilahi. Taas na kayo siya hit. Wow, nice kayo ang dagat, ang dagat. Nangurog yan.
Abo po.
Hinay-hinay lang ba? Talaga. Ipalong, oh. Return home.
Abo mo noon.
Ito siya. Di, murag ang kinimoy ko aniya ay. Nga makabalo siya, mabalay na niya. Landing. Landing. Lihay tanik eh. Kita yung landingan ano yun.
Sa'yo na ay. Kung adto nas balay palupad, pwede na.
Hoy! Kung galanding mo. Yay! Success! Butike. Butike. Thank you.
Wow!
Wow! Oh, it's yours now. We're going to open it.
Open?
Yeah, open. Ah! Wait!
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.